Mood boards are generally used to serve as inspiration to generate new ideas. Go to Behance.net and search for educational startup web design. And feel free to select web design outside of educational startups, as we're just looking for getting inspired. This web design by a marketing agency looks good. So we can add that to our mood board. By saving it, we can create a new mood board and call it educational startup landing page. I also like this web design, although it's for a software development company. The color palettes look balanced and it's looking good so far. So I'll also add this to the mood board we just created. Let's select one more design to finalize our mood board. And maybe for our last one, let's search for startup landing page. And this is looking good so far. So let's add this one to our mood board. So now if we go back to our Behance profile and go to the mood board section, we can see 3 of the mood boards we just saved. Our last step is to put all of this on Figma so that we have a single place where we can visualize everything at once. And now I'm just gonna put in all of this on Figma. And if you're just watching and have not made mood board, feel free to get the project files and download the Figma file that has the mood board we've just created.